Hello. Hello? Can you hear me?
Bituin, say hi.
What?
Bituin.
What's
Good
wrong?
afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon,
Good
teacher.
afternoon, Between. How is your Monday? How's your Monday? Hmm. Is it good? Yes? Are you happy? Yes, you are. That's good to hear, Between. And what did you do today? Before the class. Hmm.
Yeah, and
Uh,
I see ice cream.
you eat ice cream?
Yeah,
Yes. What's the flavor of your ice cream, Between?
it, it's Oreo ice cream.
Wow, that must be yummy. Okay, Between. Now let us finally proceed with your lesson here in Phonics 1. Let us remember first, or let's have a quick review of what we had the last time. Remember that we had already the letters D, E, and F, and then we had a activity about it. Which one do have the same sound, right? Now, the next one between is a story. I remember you like stories. Hey, so I want you to look at the first picture. What can you see? We have, what's that? An ant and
Egg.
very good. Now in here, I can you read? Okay, you repeat after teacher. I
I
see an egg.
see an egg.
Ante.
Very good. What can you see? I see
I see an egg.
an
Egg.
egg.
Say an.
An.
An,
Egg.
an, an egg.
Very good. I see an egg. Okay, look at number 2. What happened next? I have a, what is this again?
I have
Very good. I have a fan. Okay, I have,
I have a fan.
yes. Okay. What could it be? Okay, actually, we're done with the story. Let's just review, okay? I have a fan. Okay,
I
what?
have a fan.
Later you're going to see the whole picture. What could it? Next, number 3, look at the ant. The ant says it,
I
it is a,
a, a desk. I
okay,
see a desk.
you see a desk, but the ant says it is a desk. Can you say it again?
I see a
It,
desk.
it is a desk.
It is a desk.
Very good. And number 3, it says here, it is a desk. Mhm. Now look at number 4. Oh no, it's not an egg, Between. It's an
Going
elephant's nails. It's not a fan, but an elephant's ears. And it's not a desk,
at
it's
the
the body
back.
of the elephant
The,
or the back. Okay. Oh
the back.
no. ant. Now, what did the ant says? It is, it
It
is
is
an
elephant.
elephant.
It is
An,
an elephant, not an egg.
yeah, an
But
elephant.
that's why for fun.
It's just for fun because the ants are very small. That's why they thought these are eggs, fan, and desk. But it's not. It's an elephant. Look at the difference. Okay. Look at the ant. The ant is
Very
very, what is it?
small.
Yes. How about the elephant?
It was big.
Okay, it's very big
Big,
compared to
very big to the sky.
big to the sky. That's too much.
I did high.
Wow. Okay, the sight words that we have here between is I, see, and have. Okay, I, it means yourself. See and have. Okay, I, see, and now let us proceed to the next activity. We are going to review letters A to F by. Okay, so how are we going to review that? I'm going to point to the pictures and then I want you to recognize, okay? Look at these. What are these? Very
Apple.
good. These are apples. How about this one? Broom, broom. Good
Car.
job. How about these animals?
Cow. Yeah.
Good. Cow. And cow starts with what letter? Cow. K, cow.
Cow.
What letter? Letter.
Letter. Letter.
Okay. The word cow begins with the letter.
Letter.
You can do
Letter.
it.
Letter.
Hmm.
C.
Letter C. Very good. How about the word apples? Apple starts with what letter?
Letter A.
Good job. You still remember. Okay. Next is look at this animal on the sky. What is that?
Bird.
It's a
Bird.
bird. Correct. How about for the word bird? Bird begins with the letter.
Letter
Good
B.
job. With the letter B. Now, how about this one between? Look at this. What animal is this?
Dog.
Correct. And dog begins with.
Letter
Good
D.
job. It begins with the letter T. How about this one? What is this?
A.
Yeah, it starts with the letter A. We use this one in the farm. Ah, ah, what is it? Yes, yes. Finally, you remember it's an axe. Okay. How about, okay, look at the girl. The girl is playing, right? What is
It's
she
good.
playing?
He's
She's
playing with his
playing,
dog.
correct. She's playing with her doll.
He's popping the way that he got dead. Like, and it fell
Oh
down.
no. How
And
about
then
this
and
toy? What kind of toy is this?
a bear.
Yep, it's a bear. Correct. Another animal. What is this?
A duck.
Good job. How about this one?
A chicken.
It's a chicken. Okay, do you like to eat the chicken? Fried chicken.
Yeah.
Yes. Is it Jollibee or McDo? Okay. You like McDo, Jollibee, or McDo's chicken?
Fried chicken.
Okay. So you really like the McDo. Oh, look at this. If we have chicken, we also have what's that?
Egg.
Correct. It's an egg. Now, egg begins with what letter?
Water. Water.
Letter.
Water. E.
Letter E is correct. Now, if we have an egg, this time we have another animal, but this one's in the water. What is this?
A, a fish.
Correct. How about for fish? It begins with the letter. What is it? Letter F. Right? It's the letter F between. Now, let me ask you again. How about this one? What animal is this? Hmm. What animal is it between?
A cat.
It's a cat. Correct. What is the beginning sound of the word cat? Sound.
Sound.
The beginning sound of the word cat. It
The letter D.
What is the beginning sound of the word cat? Sound. What's the sound of letter C?
You cannot hear something.
Very good. Okay, just like that between. Well done. Now, that's it for the review. Oh, one more question. Where are these people and these animal? Where are they? They are in.
Here.
Where is this place? Can you tell me? They are
In
in. Yes. Now, Betuin, have you been to a farm?
yeah.
Hmm. Really? What did you do at the farm? What did you see?
I I just ride the horse right there.
Wow!
A black horse and a pink horse.
A pink horse? Really?
A brown
A
horse.
brown horse. Okay,
And
thank
then I
you.
just move. And then the guy down, then I hold the ears.
Why would you do that? Okay. Anyway, well done for the review. Between, let us now proceed to
I
the
just
next
hold the
review.
side. I just hold the side of the neck of the horse.
Okay,
And
you
then
did.
I do this.
Just like that. Now, in the next activity, you're going to listen. Supposedly, you're
And then
going to
he
circle. The
was
teacher will
shaking
do
and
that.
then I fell
Oh
down.
no, be careful the next time, okay?
Okay.
Now, look at
And then
number
I
one
did fell down.
between. Okay, let's continue first with the lesson, okay? So in number one, as you can see, that is our example. What you're going to do is to listen to teacher, okay? So for example, if I say ant, ant, okay, where is the ant? So I'll just put a letter later on. Yes, that's the ant. Now, ant begins with what letter? Letter?
The
Okay, so that's the time you're going to write the letter A here. However, you're not going to do it anymore in the class. You're just going to do it later on the paper, okay? The writing. So for now, teacher will do it for you, okay? Let's start with number two. Okay, you're just going to choose, okay? Is it A, is it B, or is it C? Okay, the word is fan,
B.
fan.
B.
Okay, what letter? Very
B.
good. Now, fan begins with what letter?
B.
Begins with
Fan,
fan.
fan. It begins
Two.
with f, f, fan.
Fan.
Hmm.
What's the beginning letter?
Fan begins with
Louder, please.
The letter
very good. Okay, the letter F. So teacher will put a letter F here. Okay. So by the way, later when you write your answer, you're going to write the big letter F as well as the small letter F. Okay? Okay, but you're going to do this one on your paper. Let's proceed to number three now, between. Look at the pictures. I'm going to say the word twice. The word is pork. Pork.
Go.
A, B, or C?
C.
Letter C. Oh, I forgot to circle this one. That is correct. Now, the word fork begins with
Letter F.
its letter F again. Correct. Let's write it down here. Letter F. Now, let us proceed to the next one, okay? Number four. The word is bear. Bear.
Meaning bear.
A, B, or C? Bear. Bear.
B.
Letter B.
B.
That is correct. Now, what is the beginning letter of bear?
Letter B.
Very good. What's the sound of the letter B?
B.
Very good. B, b, b. Next is number five. In number five, the word is car. Car. Letter
Letter B.
Letter B. Good job, Betteen. And car begins with the letter
Letter letter
car.
C.
Letter C. Yay. What happened? What's happening to you? Let's have the last one for this one. Okay? Now, here between, the word is alligator. Alligator.
Okay. It starts with the oh, I forgot.
Okay, wait. A, B, or C? You choose first. Which one is the alligator? Letter C is correct. And the word begins with alligator.
Alligator is for A.
Yes. Good job. You're doing really well. So you're going to write the letter A here. Okay, and that is correct. Let's proceed to the next one. I think this is the last review. And then we can proceed to unit number 3. Okay, the last activity. This time, do you hear the same sound? Draw a smiley face or a sad face. Do you hear the same sound? Okay? So, for example, in number 1, you can see here a car, right? Car. But what I'm going to say is cup, cup. So in number 1, they have the same sound, right? Cup and car. Now, number 2, the word is, you listen first. Number 2, the word is fan, fan. Smiley face or sad face? Fan. Fan
Smiley.
and egg.
Smiley face.
Okay.
They have the same sound. Egg, and
Eh,
fan.
okay. You identify first what's in the picture. It's an yes. And the word from teacher is fan. P, 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 eh. Are they the same?
Or not the same. The same or the same.
If it's smiley, it's the same. If it's a sad face, it's not the same.
Okay, so what's the answer?
What's your answer?
Happy face.
Why is it? Don't look at the egg. Okay. I think you're looking at the face of the egg. That's why you're saying a happy face. Okay. Look at oh no, you're going to the first word is fan. The picture here is egg. F fan, eh egg. Just focus in the beginning sound.
Is it the same? Egg, fan. Do they have the same
What
beginning
is your
letter?
answer?
Oh,
No. So it's a
Happy.
no.
It's
But not the same. It's sad.
sad, okay? When it's not the same sad face, when they are the same happy face, okay? Okay, so let's draw a sad face here because the word fan and egg is not the same, okay? They do not have the same sound. Okay, number 3. What can you see in the picture?
a fork.
Okay, we have here a fork. Now the next word is farm. Farm, fork. Farm, fork. Happy face or sad face?
Have the same beginning.
Farm, fork.
Fork.
Okay, happy face or sad face?
Happy face.
Very good. It's a happy face because farm and fork do have the same beginning sound. Okay, happy face. Next, we still have number 4 to 6. Let's proceed here. Look at number 4. What is that? What is that?
Ant.
Okay, it's an ant. Now the next word is alligator. Ant, alligator. Happy face, sad face.
Sad face.
Alligator, ant. Ah, ant. Ah, alligator. Happy face or sad face?
Happy face.
Yes, it's happy face because they have the same sound. Next, look at number 5. What fruit is that? It's a
Banana.
banana.
Banana
Okay.
has a big thing in a pie, then I eat the banana face.
You're going to eat the banana face? Oh no. Okay. The next one in number 5. So we have banana and bed. Banana, bed. Happy face or sad face?
Happy face.
Yes, good job. It's happy face, banana, and bread. Number 6, the last one here between is, what is it? You identify the picture first?
The bird.
Okay. In number 6, the word is bird and elephant. Bird and elephant. Happy face or sad face?
Um, Sad face.
Yes, it's sad face because they do not have the same beginning sound, right? B,
Yeah.
bird and elephant. So let's put a sad face. Hoo hoo hoo. Okay. Now, how about you do it between? Can you show teacher Ali the happy face? Where is your happy face? Where is your happy face? Okay. How about your sad face?
Sad face.
Sad face. Is that your sad face? You look so cute. Okay. Well done, Between. Now for the next part, we are going to do this one tomorrow. And then we will no longer do this game, okay? We will go directly to your unit number 3, okay? But that's gonna be for tomorrow because this time I will give you the time to drink some water, eat, or go to the toilet, and Teacher Ali will call you again later for the math class. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, see you in a bit. Bye bye.